everyone. In this practical video, we are going to learn about different equipments which are required in food processing. Now, what is food processing? Food processing is the field in which any agricultural produce can be converted to a food which can be consumable. For example, rice or paddy can be converted into rice flour or rice grain by the process of milling, grinding, polishing, etc. Similarly, different bakery products, fruit juices, RTS, beverages, and making up of different products like candies and squash, etc. This all comes under processing. And in food processing, equipments play a very important role, because in order to make a food product, we require different instruments. Moreover, the different techniques and methods of preservation and processing also require different equipment. For example, in milk, we require processing like pasteurization, sterilization, for which we require equipment. So, equipment has a very important role in food processing. So, in this practical video, we are going to equip with the different equipments which are required in processing food. To start with, this is the analytical balance. Analytical balance is required for weighing any ingredient, and this balance is very sensitive. Such sensitive balance can be used for weighing minute amount of ingredients. For example, in making juice, we require very small amount of preservative which can be weighed in such analytical balance. This is the digital pH meter. pH is very important in any food ingredient because we have to measure the acidity of the product. In certain fruit juices, we need to know the acidity of the product. In such cases, we use the pH meter to know the acidity. In food processing, drying is one of the most important method of processing in which a product is dried by removing the moisture, and that way it can be stored and preserved for a longer duration of time. So this equipment is a cabinet hot air oven which is used for drying different fruits, vegetables, etc. This is an autoclave which is used for sterilization of different materials. Sterilization is very important process in food processing. Basically, and when we make any kind of food beverages or juices or pickle, we need to sterilize the bottle, for which this autoclave is used. This is a digital weighing scale, and in this scale, if we want to weigh certain products like fruits or vegetables which have a higher weight, we can use this scale. This is the OTG, oven, toaster and griller. It can be also used for drying certain ingredients, and it can be very helpful in processing of few things like making of baked chips, etc., where we need baking. Moreover, OTG is widely used for all types of bakery products. For example, for making cookies, bread, pizza, etc., we require OTG. So we have two slabs here where we can put the food items, and we have the adjuster which we can adjust according to our need. This is a microwave which is required for making different products, different cookery items, but in food processing, microwave is generally used for drying, and microwave drying is one of the most important method of drying. This is a grinder which is used for grinding and mixing of ingredients. When we use or when we want to produce certain fruits or vegetable products in a very small quantity, this grinder will be of very use. Apart from different equipments, there are also different utensils which are required in food processing. So this is all about the important equipments and instruments which are required for food processing.